There are many theme parks and amusement parks in India. We are going to tell you about a few of them, which are fabulous. Best rides are available in these parks. Using these rides, you would surely say this is value for money, bro. We get the joy of many sports and rides along with fun at these places. If you want to visit such a place with your friends, do include these fabulous amusement parks in your list. Let me tell you that 6 parks of India are listed among the top 25 amusement parks of Asia. Come on, let's have a look at this top list. Number 1. Black Thunder Theme Park. Black Thunder is a park 40 kilometers away from the city Coimbatore, which is located in Mettupalayam. This park is based on the theme of entertainment. Sprawled in an area of 75 acres, it's a vast park. 50 thrilling and fun-filled rides are available here. The most famous rides here are Wild River Ride and Surf Hill. A hotel is also there in the premises of this park. The tourists can come and stay here for a night. This park is situated at the bottom of Nilgiri. You get to behold the charming scenery of Nilgiri from here. Friends, here you have the Wonderla, Bangalore. 28 kilometers away from Bengaluru, situated near Bidadi, Wonderla is an amusement park. It is wide-ranging in an area of about 82 acres. You can reach Wonderla by travelling 1 hour on Bengaluru-Mysore 4-lane road. More than 50 rides and water rides are there in Wonderla. Besides musical water fountain, laser show, virtual reality show and showery dance floor is also there in the park. So many options of entertainment and fun are available here that you would find a full day short to enjoy. 1,100 people can all together enjoy the taste of food in 5 restaurants here. Along with this facility, locker rooms are also available in the park here. Number 3. Ramoji Film City. This is quite different from other adventure parks. Situated on the outskirts of Hyderabad, this place is used not only for shooting of films and serials, it is also an ideal place for theme-based parties, picnics, conferences, and honeymoon. Besides this, entertainment park, adventure park, theme park, world park, and rides are also available here. Ramoji Film City is the biggest studio of the world and it has also found place in Guinness Book of World Records. Apart from filmmaking, this place provides a number of means of entertainment. Joyride, fun events, music-based programs, game shows, and dance programs are organized here on a regular basis. You can also enjoy food and shopping in the film center. Number 4. Wonderlock Kochi. Wonderla Water Park of Kochi is also known as Visaland. This amusement park is situated about 14 kilometers away from Kochi. It is expanded in an area of 30 acres. This is a place where more than 50 rides and water rides are available, which can turn on your head. Adults and children can choose either of the 2 options, water ride and horrible acclivity. You get to enjoy many adventures like musical dancing, fountain, parallel, vintage, tornado, caterpillar ride, magic, rapid river, wave pool and wonder splash. It's difficult to roam through entire park and use all the rides in one single visit. So plan to visit here twice. Number 5. SL World and Water Kingdom. Built in 1999, this is the biggest amusement park of Asia, which is situated in Gorai of Mumbai. It is really enjoyable to spend a day in SL World of Mumbai, which is based on the theme of Disneyland. You can enjoy not only the roller coaster but also ice skating. This place is for those who love adventure and are afraid of speed. Also for people of all age groups who love ride and entertainment. On one side, Water Kingdom theme park situated beside SL World is there. The tourists can get one single pass to visit both the places, SL World and Water Kingdom. But yes, we would advise you to visit both these places on different days so that you can enjoy rides and water park of both the places. You can enjoy water rides, slides and big wave pool in Water Kingdom. Number 6. Adlabs Imagica. Imagica Park is situated between Mumbai and Pune near Khopoli. It was started in the year 2013. From then till today, it has never disappointed its visitors. This is one of the most high-tech parks of India and a favorite place to spend holidays for people of every age group. If you want to spend your holiday in waves and thrills, please do visit this place. More than 15,000 tourists visit this park every day, which is expanded in 300 acres, and this figure bloats during the times of vacation. More than 25 theme rides are available here. You can enjoy the biggest roller coaster of India and 40 stimulation rides too. There are 3 parks in the entire premises: the theme park, the water park, and the snowfall park. Rides are available for people of all age groups. The Snowfall Park is the only park in entire country which is expanded in an area of 15 square feet. That's why it is one of the biggest ice park in India. So many rides like Nitro, Screen Machine, Salimgarh, etc. are available for people in theme park. Nitro is a roller coaster with a height of maximum 132. It acquires the speed up to 65.2 miles. On the other hand, Screen Machine is one of the major attractions here. It rotates up to 120 degrees and takes the riders up to 148 feet high from the ground. Theme park is open from 10 o'clock in the morning to 7 o'clock in the evening. So friends, when are you preparing to visit these amusement parks? Please do tell us by leaving a comment. If you like this adventurous video of ours, please do press the like button of YouTube. And yes, do not forget to share it. See you in the next episode with a new topic. Till then, allow Neha Agarkar to call it a day. Goodbye.